Today's video is a quick one. I just wanted to share with you the new lock item feature in GoodNotes. It's not layers, but it's a step in the right direction, and I've been making a lot of use of this update. Hi, I'm Carrie from InvisArt Planners, and I talk about all things digital planning on this channel. So we can now lock items in GoodNotes. To do so, tap on the item, tap on these three dots, and then select Lock Image. Now, when you use the selection tool to select everything else, you can select that too, and it stays in place. To unlock whatever you just locked, tap on it and click on this lock icon, and now you can move it around again. So for now, we can lock images, text boxes, and shapes. But the shapes have to be drawn with this shape tool here. It won't lock if you use it from the handwriting menu. Pen markers, pencil markers, highlighters, and tape also can't be locked, as well as elements. So if I add in an element and go to try and lock it, it's not an option in that menu. If you have stickers that are also elements, like this penguin here, these also can't be locked. Which is kind of surprising considering I would consider it a single image, but there is a way to work around that, and let me show you how. So for example, this list here is a sticker I added as an element. And as you see, I can't lock it. If I duplicate it, I can't lock that either. But if I go to the selection tool, make sure I have images turned on, I can select it, copy it, and then paste it. And so when I tap on this one, you see that the border is quite close to the sticker itself, versus there's a much larger border here. The larger border means that it's an element in this case, and this means that it's an image. So this list I can lock, while this one I can't. And you can use that for images as well. So let's take this penguin and make sure to select him and then copy. And when I paste it in, this can now be locked. Hopefully this is something that they update in the future. I'd love for elements to be lockable too. And if they do, I'll leave a note in the description below. Okay, a quick update. As I've been using this lock image tool a little bit more, I discovered that if you bring in an element, you can lock it if you tap on it with your finger. See how the border changed? So now I can lock the image. When you tap on it with your Apple Pencil, it's still going to be considered an element and you can't lock it. And you can't tap on it with your pencil to select it, but with your finger, it selects the image and you can select lock image. Copy and pasting is still good because then your element becomes an image and you can lock it at any point in time. But this method is also great. It kind of just depends on what works better for your workflow. I've already been making a lot of use of this feature because I use our modular digital planner and I use a lot of digital sticker widgets to customize it. And so this meal planner sticker actually replaced the reminder and looking ahead section on this page. So when I lock it into place, it's much easier to adjust the text and edit and add as I need. I don't have to keep fidgeting with the selection tool and making sure, images is on but text is not, and things like that. It's been a great time saver. Also, when I block out spaces, like say I don't want this blank section down here, I use the screenshot method to get rid of that. To get rid of it seamlessly, at least. And now I can send it to back and then lock it in place. And so if I want to move any of the elements on top of it, it's easy to do. I've also been using it a lot for when I want to add handwriting to images and stickers. So I'll lock an image and write in little notes. And that's it for the lock tool. Do you like this update? How are you going to use it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about these modular digital planners, check out this video or check out this Plan With Me video playlist. Until next time, bye!